How to change camera settings in Sora 2. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the bottom, you can see this create icon. Simply tap on this create icon. Here, there are different options available. Now, simply tap on one. So this is the section where you can create by adding a prompt. Here, if you slowly scroll down, here you'll be able to find different camera settings. Here you can customize it on your own wish. So from the top there is camera control, camera value, so you can customize it accordingly. So it's up to your preference and the way you want to create the video. So here simply select the one, and at last entering the prompt you can generate the video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.